Hi folks, how you doing today? I'm here to show you some things that I figured out. I had some screen problems and the keyboard was going crazy. It wouldn't type properly and I didn't quite know what was wrong. And also in some of the apps I've been running, depends on where things were located. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. So obviously there was some sort of screen problem and I didn't know if it was hardware, software, and I actually still don't know what the problem is, but at least I can see what the symptoms are and I can move forward in trying to resolve what the actual problem is. So let's get to it. So this comes in two steps. The first step I'm going to show you is a screen touch test that I did to actually see what was going on with the problem here that I'm having with my screen. Hopefully you can use a screen touch test for other issues you might be experiencing. So basically I downloaded this app and it's a very simple app and it's a black screen, and what happens is wherever you touch it will light up. So down towards the bottom of my screen here you'll start to see that this is messed up here about a ½ inch. And this is right where the keyboard comes up. So when I try to type in here, and this is messed up, then obviously I'm not going to get those keys in there. So if we look at this up close, it will show you that clearly there's a dead spot in there that is causing me my trouble. So I kind of discovered that, and so I don't know how to fix that yet. But the fact that I know what's going on with my keyboard and can see something happening physically on my device, now I can work to see if it's a software issue or a hardware issue. My phone is rooted. It's possible that that's causing the problem. I'm going to have to wipe out everything and go back to factory, but I'm going to do that next. So the next thing I'm going to show you to help you debug your problem and see exactly what's happening on your screen, there is a touch on the device itself to where you can see the touches. Now, one thing on my particular device I discovered was very interesting, that I'm seeing a double touch. So when I type in on the keyboard, what's happening is it goes below and above my dead spot. So it's actually typing a couple of characters. It's very, very strange how that happens. So I'm going to show you that right now. I'm going to show you how to get into it and also use it. So what we do first of all is we pull down the settings, and then we go to settings here. Now, one of the things you need to do first is you need to enable the developer options. So you go to more and you go to, mine's already enabled, there's the developer options right there. But if you go to about device and you scroll down and you go to build number and you touch it several times, see, mine says developer mode has already been turned on. I think you have to hit it 7 or 9 times, one of the two, and then you will be in developer mode. So then you can go back up and go into developer options. Once you're in developer options, you can scroll down and hit show touches, and then you get back out of that. So what we're going to do is we are going to go back to our screen touch test. And what I want you to see, hopefully it'll show up here, is that I will have two. Let's see if I can show it. It's not, okay, see the 2 dots there? I actually have 2 dots that show up. So it's very interesting what's happening here. I'll try to show it a little bit more here. Maybe I can go the other way here. Okay, you see one on the bottom and one on the top, right there. So this is why I'm getting some craziness on my keyboard, and it's typing, stuff I just don't type. So with those 2 things, hopefully you can figure out what's going on with your problem. So as you can see, I have some strange things going on with my keyboard, and hopefully by using those 2 features, one is download the screen test, and then the second one is to show your touches. Hopefully that will help you debug whatever's happening with yours. If you have the same problem, or maybe you have some dead spots on your screen, by utilizing those 2 things, you can hopefully figure it out and figure out what to do. I still don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think it's my screen, but it's possible it's hardware, or software rather. So, all right, good luck to you. Take care.